He believes that no Mississippian should go hungry, and he's doing all he can to make sure his fellow Mississippians have something to eat.
Russell Morrison is fighting hunger one T-shirt at a time. His mission to help end hunger in the state is why he's tonight's 2015 Jefferson Award winner. Russell Morrison is a volunteer, a donor, and an advocate for the Mississippi Food Network. He volunteers on Saturdays in the warehouse, but it's what he's doing outside of the warehouse that's starting to make a difference. You see, he started a company called Esoteric that raises money for the Food Network.
So Esoteric sells apparel and other items, and for every item sold, it provides 7 meals to hungry Mississippians via the Mississippi Food Network.
Russell gives back to this community not only through his company, but also out of his own pocket. He has donated $440 to provide 3,080 meals. But the T-shirts is his way of trying to get the community involved.
Well, right now, on the shirts that I have right now, there are no words. So when you see the image, the idea would be that you recognize the state of Mississippi and ask, what does that mean? And the person who bought the shirt knows the story so they can share.
He's also a regular recruiter for the Food Network. But with over 400,000 Mississippians going hungry, Russell says there's still plenty of work to be done.
Over time, there have been 3 things that have been invariant, and that is food, clothing, and shelter. And I think it's neat to provide somebody with food who wants to buy a shirt. So you're knocking out 2 things. If you need to buy a shirt, you can buy a shirt. This also supports someone who needs food.
Well, tomorrow night you will get to meet another one of our local Jefferson Award winners. Stay with us for the story on News Channel 12 at 6.